Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 6 of the December Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about today's problem. Minimum cost to move chips to the same position. Okay, so yeah, so did I always, I'm getting old. I had a recent birthday, say, so I forgot what I said this already, but hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, especially if you like solving these daily problems. We'll be solving these daily problems all month, maybe even all year next year. We've been on like a 600-day streak, so definitely join, come to Discord, post your code, read other people's code, and so forth. People also, not gonna lie, there are a lot of people who spend the effort and time to kind of write cleaner code than I do. That said, we'll see. Anyway, today's problem is minimum cost to move chips to the same position. So we have n chips, I is in So okay, so I feel like I've seen this before. I will maybe even see if I can find because I think I did this on a contest. I did this very quickly, so it's not just because I memorized it or remember it or whatever. It's what I did last time. I think that the key observation is that here for this position, it means that for every that means that for every even number position, you can move it to 0, say. I mean, it doesn't have to be 0, but you can move it to anyone. But for every even number, you can move it to 0 because it's free. And then for all the odd numbers, you move it to 1, say, and also because it's free, all right? And then because of that, you can move up or down 1 and then that's and then you take the minimum of whichever one is, like if there are 10 odd chips and 2 even chips, you want to move the even ones to the bigger one, right? So you take the min of those two, and I think that should be good enough. Yeah. Is the I chip, the position of the I chip is position I. Okay, so yeah, so let's see. Should be pretty straightforward. We go maybe x mod 2 for x in position. So this is the list that we get, and then now we want to, we want to put it in a collection start counter, say. It doesn't really matter. I mean, you could put in a number of things, I suppose. So we basically just put this in a counter, and a counter is just a lookup table or a hash table. Just that it has the value component is a counter, meaning an integer number. I think it has to be positive as well, or 0 and positive, non-negative, because it doesn't make sense to have a negative counter. Maybe it does. Actually, I don't know. Someone correct me on this one. But yeah, so then now you just have this one. So yeah, so this should give you all the ones in, basically you're moving everyone from 0 to 0 to 1, and then you just do min of count of 0 or count of 1. Yeah, and then that's pretty much it, maybe, hopefully. Yeah, let's obviously run all the other test cases first. But I feel like I did. Okay, well, pay to stream a little bit better or something. Yeah, so let's give it submit. Oh, I've done it twice even. Did I lie? Did I do this on a contest? Maybe I just remember from somewhere else, or maybe something similar. I don't remember exactly, but let's see how I did it last time. I think, yeah, I guess I did it the same way. And the logic is, this is really weird. What is going on here? But oh yeah, I guess this logic is similar but different. So my logic is that we move everything to 0 or move it to 1, and then we get the cost. This one, I guess, is slightly different, but the same idea, which is that we move this chip. For this chip, we move it to a even space, or we move it to an odd space. So we count that, but same idea. But here we do a counter. You could do it one chip at a time. I think it's the same. What did I do in the tie-breaking way? Okay, so I did the same idea of, I just count the odds and even. Yeah, I don't. I thought I did it during a contest, but maybe clearly I'm wrong. Yeah, I don't think I. Yeah, I don't think I do Yeezy in C++ in contest, so I'm just wrong. But I probably have a previous video somewhere. But yeah, in this case, you can see that this is linear time because we look at each position once. I guess the way that I wrote this is actually linear space, but if you, I think you could do this as well. Okay, right. I just never, I wasn't sure, so I put it on the list because I don't know if you can put iterators on a counter. It seems like you can. So now if you do that, then this is going to be constant space. Even though this is a lookup table, it is a hash table. We know that this only has two possible inputs, right? 0 and 1. So therefore, it's constant space because it can at most have two spaces. And yeah, so constant space, linear time. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. I know you're as sad as I am that it's Monday, weekend's over, but have a great rest of the week. I'm a little bit sad. No, I'm just kidding. I just need a little bit more sleep. But yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later. Bye bye. Have to press the button. Take care.